For #MySPUWomen, my message will be to focus on our unique strengths and see how we can use those strengths and passions to uplift our society, but also to uplift each other as women within the society and really be the light for Africa, as our logo symbolizes, and the light for humanity, to improve our environment, to improve our society for a better future.
The biggest issue, I think, is gender-based violence. Something needs to be done in order to secure the safety of women, for us to be able to walk free wherever we are, just as men are able to walk freely.
As a woman, we should hold each other's hands and build support system for each other and speak out so that we can be heard.
Every time a woman stands up without knowing, without claiming it, she stands up for all women.
Empathy and a willing ear sometimes can really bring out the best in women.
Part of a survival instinct is to help one another. It helps you to remind you that you are strong and you can overcome each and every obstacles you meet in life.
Men just need to give women the space to expand their potential, to just let it out, to be who they are, because they are so much more than most men see.
Men too can be a voice for #MySPUWomen.
Women need to start supporting each other in our society by loving and supporting each other, by being kind and not discriminative, and being a voice to the voiceless. Be kind, supportive, and loving.
Here's a message to all you wonderful women out there. Your crown has been bought and paid for. Put it on your head and wear it with pride. As SPU women, let's take hands and help one another wear our crowns and walk courageously.